Okay. Now, say thank you, Grammy Eleanor.
Yeah, she says Eleanor very well.
Do you want Mima or Papa to read it to you? Yeah? Papa.
Okay, come over here. Oh, yes. Put your hair on. See? Yeah, let's see what it says here. It says, on Valentine's Day, may all your dreams come true. Love, Granny, Joe's. Yep.
Isn't that pretty? Do you want that in your room? Yeah?